This is a 1921 beef tongue iron. More than 3,000 years ago, China invented this iron tool, but the inventor's intention was not to iron clothes. It's designed to burn prisoners' bodies, to achieve the purpose of violence. The god of restoration in this issue is from Hugo in Switzerland. Ancient Chinese iron. More than 1,600 years before the iron was invented in foreign countries. The world's first invention. And countries that use irons. Before, the heating material of the iron is mainly red-hot charcoal, and this iron with beef tongue. It is an innovation based on the original. Use a piece of hot iron instead of charcoal. Avoids the smell of smoke from burning charcoal. Stained on clothes. After all parts are disassembled. Next comes the restoration. First, the parts are sandblasted and rust removed. It's time for the decompression link that the old irons love to watch. Partners who like to fix the video can like and follow. After the sandblasting is completed, you can see that the rust removal effect is very obvious. There are burrs and potholes on the surface. First retapping the screw hole, then use a sander to remove potholes from the surface. Sand the burrs off the edges with the help of a file. Grinding and polishing with 400 mesh sanding paper. After the processing is completed, the roasted blue treatment will be carried out. Heat the surface and add it to the flaxseed oil. The function is to increase the antioxidant capacity inside the metal, and the surface is treated with baking blue. Use 400 mesh sanding paper again. Clean off the oxide film on the surface. And then finally, mirror finish. The final effect is as bright as a mirror. The internal bluing treatment is also just right. The next step is to deal with this connection artifact. Use welding to fill in the fracture position. After the welding is completed, polish off the welding point. The cracks in the screw holes are also filled. After being polished, it will be heavy. Newly drilled screw hole. Tap the thread after grinding and trimming. Then it's sanded and polished. Finally, it is treated with roasted blue to increase the antioxidant properties of the surface. The restored effect is amazing. Next, we need to deal with these small screws. Put it in a rust remover for rust removal. Retapping after cleaning the surface. Then it's polished. Finally, the roasted blue treatment is carried out. After installing the cover plate, several defects were found. Fill it with welding. After welding is completed, polish it flat. Put it in its original position again, and then you draw the lines of the excess. Sand it to the right size according to the lines. After the treatment is completed, the surface is polished and regular. Repolish the position of the lettering. Clean up the surface stains after the formalization is completed. Finally, the roasted blue treatment is carried out. Then deal with this wooden handle. Through observation, it was found that the screw hole was not in the center position, so it needs to be refilled before drilling. After applying white latex to the woodcut, knock it into the handle. The hole is also filled. Then the hole is polished and regular. The gaps on the sides are filled with epoxy. Grind flat after drying. Finally, new screw holes are drilled. Use special tools to create corners. Finally, apply wood wax to increase the gloss of the surface. The original screw is bent and deformed, so it needs to be remade on the lathe out of the peripheral dimensions. Then you can tap the thread. After regular grinding, the one-word groove of the car is completed. Nuts and gaskets have also been remade. Finally, they are baked blue. This fixing frame only needs a simple grinding and regular surface sandblasting. Do the baking blue treatment again and the repair is complete. The heat shield is repaired in the same way, made of hard plastic. With these small accessories, the next step is to make the missing iron part of the beef tongue. Use the ingredients on the lathe to turn out the peripheral dimensions of the parts, and then you beat it to get the tapered head shape. Polish its surface with sanding paper. After completion, wash out the cross-section of the beef tongue iron. After production is completed, regularize the edges. Drill screw holes and chamfer at the tail position. Finally tapping the thread. After simple grinding and polishing, then the surface is sandblasted to remove the stain. Finally, the baking blue treatment is completed. Does this work look exquisite? The next step is to make a field that matches the beef tongue iron. Tap the thread after the size is drawn. Then the car comes out of its final shape. Finally, the roasted blue treatment is carried out. Increase the antioxidant capacity of metals. Make a handle out of a wooden block. Match with the field. After the basic size is made, polish the surface regularly. Remove from the lathe and apply epoxy glue. Then assemble it together with the field. After drying, the car comes out of the handle to its final shape, polished and regular. Apply wood wax for protection. Make a collar for the handle out of blank. Attach the collar to the handle. Let's see the final result. After all parts are repaired, then the whole assembly is carried out. Although this iron with beef tongue, more practical than a charcoal iron, but you need to make a fire when using it. And if the temperature of the iron block is too high, it is easy to burn the clothes. So in 1926, the first steam iron appeared in New York. The steam it produces make ironing clothes damp. This will not cause the temperature to be too high and burn the clothes. Thereafter, steam electric irons enter the homes of ordinary people. By 1932, there is an electric iron that can adjust the temperature. In 1953, the spray steam iron was invented after assembly is completed. Let's take a look at the comparison before and after restoration. This repair effect. It was amazing. There is no sign of repair at all. Finally, the practical operation of the iron. Heat the beef tongue in the fire, then put it in the iron. Utilize the heat of beef tongue iron. You can iron the wrinkled clothes flat. This method is more environmentally friendly and practical than charcoal heating. Friends who like to fix the video help like and comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.